Chioma here. As you can see, I've been washing and drying and putting up the dishes, which is why I got water spots on my clothes. So anyway, I have a tip for you. Is your blender dirty? Do you need to clean it up, but you don't want to risk cutting yourself on these sharp edges? These sharp blades? Well, here's a cool tip. I'm going to show you how to wash your blender without cutting yourself on those blades. So, here's what you do. Step 1, fill your blender with soapy water. By the way, I was blending avocado and chocolate, making those avocado brownies. Be right back. And now, give it a couple of shakes. Well, according to your blender, give it a couple of shakes or so. And then, what comes next? You blend it up until it's all nice and lathery. Once you've done that, you get to drink it. Gotcha! You can't drink this. All you gotta do is dump out the soapy water, the dirty soapy water, give it a quick rinse, and shazam! You've just cleaned your blender without cutting yourself on those sharp blades. Thank you for joining me. I'm Chioma, and this has been Totally Tips and Handy Hacks, and you've just been tipped. Totally. See ya. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Bye. All right, let's try these avocado brownies that I made. Let's see. Itadakimasu. Not bad. I don't taste the avocados. It does not taste like avocados. Nope. It tastes like a regular chocolate brownie. So delicious. You gotta try making the avocado brownies using whatever recipe. Well, a little extra